Have you bought a new laptop and thinking from where to download all the basics applications and the softwares which is free of charge and also free of virus? So don't worry. Hello once again guys. Today I'm going to show you a website from where you can download all the programs like Chrome, VLC, antivirus, media player. You can download all the other programs all at once. So let's browse to the website. Here we have to type ninite.com. So here as you can see we got list of browsers, messaging, media programs, documents and many other programs. So for example, if you want to download any program, you just need to pick the app you want. To show you, let's download and install a program. So for example, let's download Firefox. First we have to select Firefox and after that you have to click on Get Your Ninite and download it. It has been downloaded here. Now we're going to run it. As you can see, we got the Firefox installed here. So that was very simple to use that website and download any program you want. You can download it all at once. Very simple to use Ninite website. You just have to download, run, that's it. Thank you for watching my video.